We are going to Trader Joe's. I'm so excited. I love Trader Joe's, and I never go there. We don't have any near us, so it's a bit of a project getting there. But I love their products. I love so many things there. So many things. I really should make a list before going there. I don't have one, which I know is a mistake because I'm gonna buy everything. But mainly I want some delicious seasoned meats, some snacks. Their different seasoning mixes are so good, so I'm definitely gonna grab a bunch of those. And I just need some variety in my meal prep. So I'm gonna see, what they have, get a bunch of things. I'll show you what we get today, and then I will also show you how I meal prep with all of that stuff. So let's go.
My wife likes trading with Joe, so we're gonna go trade with Joe and see what we can find from Joe.
I think that's a great idea. They have some good chicken stuff and good shrimp stuff and good snacky snacks. I don't know if it's a good idea that I'm going there without a shopping list.
I don't think a shopping list would matter.
Maybe.
I think the shopping list would be the start, and it would end up where it was going to end up anyways.
That's true. That's true. Maybe a budget. Yeah. I don't have one.
I don't know how much effect that would have either.
I'm gonna get so much good stuff. So much good stuff. They have so many good sauces and so many seasonings that are just amazing and delicious. And then they have all this already seasoned stuff too. So I don't have to rely on me figuring out how to season stuff.
But you season stuff for a while. Food is always tasting very awesome.
You're very cute.
It's true. I eat it. It's delicious.
I'm so excited. So Bernard was just saying that he chose this Trader Joe's so that I could do some house watching on the way back. So what?
Who wouldn't want to do house watching while going to Trader Joe's or coming back?
Well, we have to explain.
Okay, true.
So, what we always do when we go somewhere outside of the city, outside of New York City, is drive around a little bit on the way back and look at some nice, cute houses, because there's many areas, especially right outside the city, Jersey, near the beach, where there's lots of cute little areas with nice houses. And so on our drive over here, I was already looking at them. And on the way back, we might just take a little bit of a detour.
Yeah.
And look at some houses.
See what this side of Jersey has to offer our eyes.
It's like HGTV Live.
Oh, that's a perfect description.
I love it. It's so much fun.
I would like to knock on the door. Well, you entered the house.
I
compound.
I think it's really rude that they haven't invited us yet. I'm just saying. It's like the least they could do is to actually give us the tour,
True, okay, I understand. I understand. It is. They should have.
So, we'll take you house watching on the way back. I don't know what's more exciting, Trader Joe's or the houses. Now, all that's missing is puppies. Are we getting puppies?
I don't know about that for this trip.
All I heard was yes.
See, what happened was right, and then exactly. And then right. So exactly. And then yeah. So
yeah. Yes.
Well, I mean, so You know, it's like when the what's the thing called? The thing, right? So it's, hey, that's Bob's furniture. Yeah.
We'll see you at Trader Joe's.
You are my warm place. You are my map.
And there's a puppy.
There's I see puppy.
I wish we could stay.
Just when I thought it was spring, you guys are cold.
You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark. I feel the air around me as it starts to move. I realize I never had that much to lose. Show me you can be more than just my enemy. One day you and me.
So what you looking for?
I have no idea. Smoked apple, Chardonnay chicken sausage.
Chardonnay?
Yeah.
So they put Chardonnay in there?
I don't know. Unexpected cheddar.
I don't know if I want to be surprised by the cheddar.
But I think it's a pun. Unexpected cheddar.
That went right over my head.
Okay, these two.
Okay.
Ooh, these are so good.
What are so good?
It's like a very fluffy wrap situation.
Okay.
But it's really, really, really low calorie. And so like if you just want like the flavor of pizza, for example, but you don't really want like the filling actual pizza, you just want something that tastes a little bit like it, then
you do it on
here.
this? Oh, okay.
And it's really, really good. I had these years ago.
Okay, I gotta try it. Rip the bag open. Let's go for it.
I don't know if they would like that.
For the galaxy, move on from insanity. We can live our fantasies.
The frozen section is the best part in my opinion. Mahi burgers.
That's new.
Burgers. Crazy. Insanity. Okay, see, I'm already losing track of the budget situation.
What was the budget?
Well, we didn't set one, but I was thinking maybe 200.
Okay. I think that was on the grocery list.
Definitely, I saw it on the list.
Yeah.
I saw it on the list.
Yep.
Magnificent.
You left me with a heavy heart. I'm colder than the day you met me in the dark.
Whoa, you went into Trader Joe's and that's all you bought? I thought the whole store was gonna be empty by the time you were done.
Funny.
Oh, okay. All right. I see.
I want to believe we can rule the galaxy. Move on from insanity. We can live our fantasies.
So it's actually the next day. We got a little sidetracked yesterday and went to 2 more stores. But I'm gonna show you what we got at Trader Joe's. I've noticed that for me to eat healthy, whether I'm focused on fat loss or not, I need a variety of flavors. Oftentimes I fall off the wagon because I'm just bored with the flavors and the food that I'm having. I'm a foodie. So that's why I got a bunch of different flavored proteins to give me some different flavors, different from what I usually make. So we have this, I'm very excited to try, and I'll show you that in the next video when I actually make it. And 2 more flavored chicken options. So this is savory herb chicken thighs. Very excited to try those. And then we have shawarma chicken thighs right here. Chicken sausages. I got the roasted garlic. It's Italian style chicken sausages. And we have 2 more protein options. We have shrimp burgers, and then This is more Bernard than me. Fish nuggets. Carb and veggie options, the same thing. I love gnocchi, but they are pretty high in carbs. I still have stuff like that sometimes, but sometimes it's just like I want the flavor or the texture of something, but I don't want it to be, you know, a whole load of carbs. Sometimes I'll still go for it, but when I don't want that, then stuff like this is super good. Full-priced cauliflower stir fry. Cauliflower rice is tricky. For me, I don't like it plain. It needs to be combined with like veggies and seasonings flavors. So this is a great option. Okay, mushrooms that are already seasoned as well, I think. Oh, not seasoned. Okay, anyway, got some of these. I love these so much. So we have the cauliflower slims and the cauliflower pizza crust. So this is funny because I only ever had these during the only bodybuilding prep I ever did. So I only did one bikini show years ago. I have these with cottage cheese. Listen, when you're on prep, your body is so hungry. All the flavors are so heightened and intensified that everything tastes amazing. May have been because of that a little bit, but I remember them being really good. So I'm gonna use them for like pizza bases and snacks basically. And then we have a bunch of seasonings. Green Goddess right here. Everything but the elote, which is supposed to be really good. A salmon rub, that I've never had before either. Green Goddess, of course. Some sweet chili sauce. And Parmesan to add on top of pasta, rice, and all kinds of dishes. And that's it. That's our Trader Joe's haul. So I will show you how I prep all of this in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you there.